umzabalazo uyasivumela, umzabalazo uyasivumela, umzabalazo uyasivumela. Say, you told us that we are gonna get more monies, and now we are doing what you have told us. We don't get paid. We need pay slips. We need all the resources of work. We're getting tired. No, man, stop it. Don't talk like that. Yes, talk. They are telling you now. So what must we do, Tina, as us? Umzabalazo uyasivumela. Yeah, Mlungu, you must pay us our money. Here is my pay slip. It's short. Where is the 20 rand that you owe me? You have to put it back here, or I will take you to the Herald. Yes. Thank you. Okay, we will come back tomorrow then. Yeah. Sure, Mlungu. Yes. Viva.